In the quiet darkness of Orion, there is a star that refuses to behave. A star so large that if it sat at the center of our solar system, it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, and stretch past the orbit of Mars. Its name is Betelgeuse. And for years, astronomers have watched this dying red giant flicker, dim, brighten, and erupt in ways that defy expectations. But now, for the first time, we may finally understand why Betelgeuse behaves so strangely. Tonight, we dive into the mystery of a star on the edge of oblivion and the new discoveries that might rewrite the story of its final days. The monster in Orion. Betelgeuse, located around 550 light-years from Earth, is one of the most recognizable stars in the night sky. It marks the shoulder of the constellation Orion, glowing a deep, unmistakable orange. But this star is not just bright, it is unstable, chaotic, and enormous to a degree almost impossible to comprehend. It has burned through its fuel at a terrifying pace. In cosmic terms, Betelgeuse is an old, trembling giant, swollen, boiling, and preparing for its final transformation. And over the past decade, this giant began acting very, very strange. The Great Dimming. In late 2019, astronomers worldwide witnessed something unprecedented. Betelgeuse began to fade. Not a little, not gradually. It dimmed so dramatically that observers believed it was finally collapsing toward a supernova. Its brightness dropped by almost 25%, a huge change for a star easily visible with the naked eye. Social media exploded. Scientists held emergency observation campaigns. Telescopes from Chile to Hawaii to space itself turned toward the fading giant. It was the closest humanity had ever come to witnessing a nearby supernova in real time. But then, just months later, Betelgeuse brightened again. What happened? Dust cloud? Giant eruption? Starquake? For years, the explanations remained uncertain, but new research has finally revealed the truth.
A star with giant scars.
The latest observations from a series of high-resolution telescopes paint an extraordinary picture. Betelgeuse is not just bright, it is turbulent. Its surface is a roiling, boiling ocean of plasma, with convective cells larger than entire solar systems. These massive bubbles rise from deep within the star, cool, and sink again, like magma inside a cosmic volcano. But sometimes, the cycles do not behave. Astronomers now believe that the strange dimming and brightening of Betelgeuse is caused by a combination of two things. One, gigantic star spots. These are cooler regions on the star's surface, similar to sunspots on our sun, but far, far larger. Some of these spots may cover more than half of Betelgeuse's visible face. When these cooler patches dominate the surface, the star appears dimmer. Betelgeuse's interior is unstable. Convective plumes, huge columns of hot material, rise from the inside and push outward like geysers. Sometimes these plumes cause portions of the surface to cool suddenly. Other times they trigger massive ejections of material, which then condense into dust. This dust can temporarily block part of the star's light. Together, star spots and convective storms explain nearly everything we have seen. The sudden dimming, the slow brightening, the odd, uneven shape of the star, the chaotic changes in temperature. Betelgeuse is not dying right now. It is breathing, a giant inhaling and exhaling in the final centuries of its life. A star near the end. To understand Betelgeuse's instability, we need to understand its age. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, one of the last stages in the life of a massive star. After millions of years burning hydrogen, then helium, then heavier elements, the star has expanded into a bloated, swollen giant with a surface barely held together. It is like a balloon inflated to the edge of bursting. Inside, fusion shells burn in layers. The structure is unstable, and every day, Betelgeuse grows a little more chaotic. These conditions naturally lead to convective explosions, surface temperature drops, mass ejections, pulsation cycles, irregular brightness patterns. For years, astronomers suspected some external force was at play, maybe a companion star, maybe dust clouds, maybe an undiscovered orbiting object. But the truth is simpler and more dramatic. Betelgeuse is tearing itself apart from the inside, and we are watching that process in real time. So, when will it explode? This is the question the world keeps asking, and the answer remains the same. Not yet. Not in our lifetime, and probably not in the next 100,000 years. Betelgeuse's instability does not mean it is about to explode tomorrow. It simply reflects the natural struggle of a supergiant in the final chapters of its evolution. However, when it does explode, the night sky will never look the same. It will become brighter than the full moon, visible even during the day, casting shadows at night. A silent cosmic firework marking the death of a star and the birth of a supernova remnant. But for now, Betelgeuse continues its unpredictable dance.
What the new research means. The new studies give us something astronomers have waited for: clarity. They show that Betelgeuse's behavior is normal for a supergiant. Its dimming is caused by surface activity, not external objects. Convection and star spots explain its brightness cycles. The star is not showing signs of immediate collapse, and its strange patterns help us refine models of dying stars everywhere. In short, understanding Betelgeuse helps us understand the future of countless massive stars across the galaxy. It teaches us that stars are not static. They breathe, pulse, erupt, cool, and evolve. They are alive in ways we are only beginning to understand. Betelgeuse is a giant, a dying colossus, a star in the final act of its cosmic story. But it is also a window, a living laboratory showing us the fate of massive suns, the mechanics of stellar death, and the incredible beauty of a universe in motion. As we watch Betelgeuse flicker and glow in the constellation Orion, we are witnessing history, not measured in years, but in millennia. A star preparing for its grand finale. A reminder that even giants must fall, and that every ending begins with a flicker. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to Brainwave. Until the next time, take care.